history of a people in the palms of their hands. They carry the umhlanga. The reed, long, slender, resilient, cut from the riverbed where the water runs deep. It is not just a plant. It is a promise, a symbol of purity held high against the blue sky, connecting the earth below to the heavens above. Look at the colors. Beads that speak a language older than words, the Izigeja and Izindlamu, a kaleidoscope of red, white, and blue, singing songs of transition, from childhood to womanhood, from the playful breeze to the steady wind. And then, the singing starts. It is a sound that pulls the ancestors from the mist, a harmony so thick you could weave it like a basket. They sing for the king, they sing for the queen mother, but mostly they sing for themselves. Celebrating the strength in their spines, the pride in their heritage, the sisterhood that stands tighter than the reeds they carry. Watch them present their reeds, one by one, laying down a foundation.